Okay, so now we're gonna add a link in HTML. Suppose you have two documents or again on the same same folder, like desktop, like we earlier added an image. If it's a.html and it is b.html, both of them are HTML documents, and you wanna link them together. So it's quite easy. You use a feature called hypertext. It is an amazing feature and is very useful. Hypertext, for example, you're continuously typing and you want, whenever somebody clicks on your this text, suppose the one here, you want it to redirect them onto the next document, so you can do this. Hypertext can also be used for an image. Suppose you have an image here, you whoever clicks onto your image, you want them to be sent to the other document, you can do the same for hypertext. And it is extremely easy and is one of the most amazing features of HTML. So let's move on to that, but before we move on to that, let's clear off. Okay, so let's clear this complete area. Okay, so once you clear the complete area, let's study the tag we use while making the hypertext links. It is called href. This tag is used when making a simple hypertext link. Suppose you put href source equals, and then suppose we are on a.html currently. Don't forget that we are on this document called a.html, and that we are coding a simple href tag to take us on to the next page. So for that, we'll just put href source. We wanted to go to b.html, so we'll type in b.html, and then we'll close the source bracket. Okay, so href, our first tag, is done. And remember one more very important thing: never forget to put a before href. Put a, then a space, then href. It's the tag is actually not just href, it's a space href. And now once we need to end the tag, you'll just put a slash a. So the tag is ready. Now suppose I want an image to send me to there, so I will just add the image here by putting a img tag. Or in the other chance that I don't want an image, instead I want some text only to send me there, so instead of this image I will just put some text in a paragraph tag between these, and whoever clicks on that will be sent on to my next web page. This is really useful when making redirects and on click buttons and all of that. And don't forget that source is an attribute to a href.